A lead generation specialist is typically a small business owner looking to help their company grow by targeting those potential customers who meet a predefined set of criteria. The services provided are usually complementary or part of larger organizations' lead generation efforts. Generally, a lead generation specialist can offer a handful of specific services, but the key two advantages are generating new leads out of inbound telemarketing and lead generation via social media. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about the benefits of hiring a lead generation specialist. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Both services can prove highly effective when properly executed. Many companies do not realize how easy it is to obtain qualified leads by using these tools. Lead generation by other means is much more difficult. Telemarketing is an old but still effective method of obtaining new leads. Companies can obtain these leads by using methods such as cold calling or creating a new customer base through email lists or direct mail campaigns. However, these traditional lead generation techniques are extremely time-consuming. By turning to online lead generation through telemarketing or other forms of direct marketing, companies can achieve quick results with little effort. In some cases, lead generation specialists can provide new leads at a much lower cost than other methods, making them a great value for any company. Social media marketing can be a very effective lead generation specialist tool. This method can be extremely effective when used in conjunction with other lead generation tactics such as cold calling or content marketing. Many lead generation specialists utilize social media outlets such as Facebook and Twitter to promote their clients' businesses. For businesses that have limited budgets, this option provides a great return on investment. Lead generation by other means is more difficult. Most companies that rely on traditional methods of lead generation simply don't have the time or resources to spend on these efforts. If they do, however, they may not have the right strategies in place to generate quality leads. By turning to lead generation specialists, they can gain access to resources and the expertise necessary to successfully generate high-quality leads. Some lead generation specialists have even managed to create massive networks consisting of hundreds of thousands of contacts. Some businesses shy away from lead generation companies because they don't want to be perceived as pushy. This is a common concern among small businesses, but it's important to remember that the key benefits of utilizing a lead generation specialist firm are all about convenience. The biggest benefit of using a lead generation specialist is that it allows your employees to spend more time working on the things that matter most to your customers. Instead of spending time cold calling, spending time communicating with potential clients, and spending time building relationships with other business owners. Your staff can be doing everything you need to do to increase sales. When you're able to focus your energy on generating leads rather than trying to do everything, you can get more done with less overall effort and hassle. One of the other reasons why many small businesses avoid utilizing a lead generation specialist is because they don't think they can afford the extra help. This is simply not true, especially if your sales team has already been trained to use lead generation services. The services typically offered by a lead gen specialist are actually quite affordable, especially compared to the extra efforts required by cold calling or traditional marketing methods. There are also many advantages to utilizing a lead generation specialist, not the least of which is the ability to grow your customer base rapidly once you've started employing their services. One thing you should keep in mind when it comes to lead generation specialists is that they aren't just there to make up for your weaknesses in other areas of your marketing. These professionals will help you identify profitable leads, build strong relationships with your existing client base, and ensure that you're always meeting your deadlines. By giving your sales team these resources and tools, you'll be able to quickly and efficiently increase the number of leads you obtain from people who would have likely not joined your company if you had not found these professionals. Another benefit these professionals provide is the opportunity to expand your business. By reaching out to the local community, you'll gain new customers and expand your customer base, all while avoiding additional expenses on marketing that you wouldn't have otherwise incurred. If you're still unsure about whether or not to hire a lead generation specialist firm, consider some of the benefits they offer. Rather than constantly dealing with cold calling or trying to create new leads yourself, you can instead hire someone to do all of the work for you. These professionals can help you obtain leads while effectively managing all aspects of your campaign, allowing you to spend your time working on the more important aspects of your business. By removing many of the tedious and time-consuming tasks involved in lead generation, you'll be able to spend your time on the things that matter most to your business. By using these services, you'll be able to attract new clients and expand your customer base at a much faster rate. By outsourcing your lead generation efforts, you'll be able to focus on the aspects of your business that are of utmost importance. Thanks for watching my video about the benefits of hiring a lead generation specialist. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.